So for our topic is the phacoemulsification. So the demographic data is the name is Villanueva Conrado, age 61, male, married, and as for the patient information, so the admitting diagnosis is senile Manray cataract right eye. As for the past medical history is high myopia, with chief complaint of gradual vision loss or blurry vision. For the present medical history is the 61-year-old patient presents with a 2-year history of progressively worsening blurry vision in both eyes, with the right eye being more affected. They report difficulty driving at night due to glare and halos around headlights. Reading small print has become challenging even with updated glasses. The patient also notes colors appearing duller than before. Symptoms have significantly impacted their ability to perform daily activities. So, for the proposed surgery, it is phacoemulsification cataract surgery with IOL implant right eye. As for the final diagnosis is pseudophakia right eye. For the surgical treatment is phacoemulsification. So definition, minimally invasive surgical procedure using primarily to remove the cataract, which is the clouding of the eye's natural lens. For the surgery, phacoemulsification cataract surgery with IOL implant right eye. Simple description of the procedure. So the procedure involves breaking up the removing the clouded lens using ultrasound energy, followed up by implantation of an artificial intraocular lens or IOL to restore the clear vision. As for the surgical position, so the best position is the supine position. So position the head securely, use a headrest or cushion to stabilize the head and maintain alignment. Avoid pressure points, ensure there is a adequate padding under the bed, the head, neck, and arms to prevent pressure injuries. Maintain and body alignment, so the patient body should be straight with arms placed comfortable by their sides or an armrest. So observe for any unattended movement and reassure the patient is necessary, if necessary. So here is the type or site of incision. As for the anesthesia, so local of the major, anesthetic agent is lidocaine. So for the nursing responsibilities of this anesthetic agent, so as prepare the anesthetic agent as prescribed, so ensure availability of sterile equipment for administration, such as the needles, syringes, anesthetic eye drops. So verify emergency equipment readily available, so oxygen, suction, and resuscitation tools. So ensure the patient is in a supine position with their head stabilized.